In this video, I am going to show you exactly how my husband and I deal with headaches. It's never fun if you have a headache, is it? It's debilitating. It takes you out. It's distracting. It causes you to not be able to focus on the important things of life, but instead focusing on this painful headache that hurts so bad. Let me know in the comments. Do you deal with headaches? Would you like to know how to deal with it without medication? You will need a couple of tools, but the best thing about these tools is you don't have to keep buying them. It's a one-time buy, and then you have these tools to fix the headache pain. So I take just these two claws. I'm going to slowly go around my head and even on the forehead a little bit. So slowly go around my head. And because I'm using just these two claws, I'm not using this whole thing. I'm just using the top two claws. It's not getting stuck in my hair. It's not pulling my hair out. So there's little, I'm assuming they're lymph nodes in the head. And so I'm setting them free. I'm releasing the toxins. You can feel little bumps. They might be painful. Just go really light. Go super light. Go as light as is needed to be able to start working that pain. You don't have to go hard. And so you're going to go all over your head. Oh, it feels so good. You can feel the pain released. It's like a little instant like pain, but then it releases. It's kind of hard to explain, but it feels so relaxing and so good. It's like freeing. So that was with the face blaster. If you wanted to, you could use this tool. I don't remember the name of it, but I will put it in the description below. And this is less likely to tangle your hair. It gives it a different feel. It's just a bigger claw. I like the face blaster best for the head, but it's just a different feel. And if you're worried about it tangling your hair and losing your hair, it's less likely to. And yeah, and I get a lot of questions. Does this pull your hair out? Truthfully, it makes your hair stronger. It helps your hair grow in thicker, or it could potentially help your hair grow in thicker. I can't promise that it will, but for me, I have seen thicker hair because what it's doing is it's getting blood flow to those areas in the head. And so you're releasing more opportunity for blood flow, oxygen, and it's going to just feed that. And so it allows healthy hair to grow back in. And so if I see any hair loss, it is going to be comparable to brushing my hair, but strong, good hair will grow back in. So next tool, this is called the nugget. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. So there's two ends. There's a really sharp end, and then there's a little bit more dull end. I'm going to use the dull end right behind your neck. There's little pressure points. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to help release any pressure. You just press on it. Don't do it so it hurts you. Never do anything where it's over a pain level of 7. You want to release that pressure gently. You don't want to cause more pain. That defeats the whole purpose, right? And then you could go over, if you have a spot that bothers you or maybe a scar, go over. Just, I'm tipping it sideways. Just go over it. And oh, that feels so good. Right in this spot, right here. It's just go over it lightly and just kind of like you're coloring with a crayon. And I'm totally messing up my hair, but that's okay. It's fixable. Fixing a headache. I can fix my hair later, right? Feels so amazing. So you can use this tool for a couple different, you could use it to color in spots that are bothering you, or you can use it for pressure point release, targeted release. Oh, it feels so good. Also, you may need to go onto the face. You may need to do your temples. You might notice that your headache is in that area. If you go onto the face, you want a lotion or an oil, preferably organic, so it's super clean. I do have lotion. Actually, I have a little bit of castor oil on my face. You just go just lightly on the temples, on the forehead. Do what feels good. Do what helps release the pain. There you have it. Now, this morning I am doing this in the morning sunshine, so I'm also getting my morning rays, which is also very beneficial for if you have headaches, or is just beneficial for all of us. It helps wake you up. It's just so good for you to have the morning sun rays. But you can do it anytime. You could do it as you're laying down just before bedtime. You could bring this with you and do this in the car. It doesn't have to mess up your hair. So grab your fascia blaster tools and fix that headache. The best thing about these tools is if you have pain, then you know how to deal with it every single time. Grab your fascia blaster. And remember, you are designed by God. You are made in His image, and you are given the mind of God, the mind of Christ. You were made to heal. Be blessed.